clear. Look out to the left, our radial formation. With the Admirals and C-19, the Shuttleworth collection, leading a pair of Gloucester Gladiators, one each from Shuttleworth and from the Mythical collection.
Spat. A great deal of cockpit glazing to give the pilot and the observer a good view out.
It helps give the crew a better field of vision from the cockpit. Hanging there, and Lysanders of the 4th Squadron were the last RAF airplanes to leave France from England before France fell.
Lysander came to absolutely excel.
Churchill was certainly the main driver of that particular idea. And we think about agents being parachute lots of them, many of them, were together flying Lysander. Just think about that. Flying across France, a blanket from France, looking for 3 lights on the ground, which denotes a field that somebody has thought you could land in here, you trust you to this aircraft would sink into. They are very robust, they're designed to, or they're very capable to land on rough territory. But if the ground is soft, the plane is heavy enough, it would sink in and you wouldn't be able to take off. You rely on the resistance that had to be around that time.
Flying by new lights, the resistance would put some torches into the strips to light them. 2 squadrons of Lysanders, numbers 138 and 131, squadron gunners moved on to serve with number 617 squadron and flew on the Downs Road in 1943 as a tail gunner. They go the yak of the flying cockpit, I think it's firing. The other being the RAF